There's a simple satisfaction to working with wood. You take a raw, natural material and shape it into something useful. Few projects embody this like a handmade cutting board. A cutting board isn't just a tool, it's a centerpiece on your kitchen counter. It's a testament to the beauty of craftsmanship. And of course, it's where you'll prep countless delicious meals. In this guide, we'll walk through the steps to build 2 different cutting boards. Don't worry if you're new to woodworking. We'll take it slow and steady. With a bit of patience and the right tools, you'll be amazed at what you can create. Before we get started, let's gather our tools and materials. Having everything ready makes the building process smoother and more enjoyable. Tools: measuring tape, pencil, wood glue, Titebond 3 recommended, clamps, plenty of them, sandpaper, 80, 120, 220 grit, mineral oil or cutting board. Finish: materials, hardwood lumber, maple, walnut, cherry, etc. Aim for boards at least 12 inches wide and 1 inch thick. Butcher block conditioner, optional. When choosing your wood, consider both looks and durability. Hardwoods like maple and walnut are excellent choices for cutting boards due to their density and resistance to cuts. Our first project is a classic edge grain cutting board. It's a great introduction to woodworking, and the end result is both beautiful and functional. Step 1. Preparing the wood. Start by milling your lumber to the desired dimensions. For this project, aim for a cutting board that's roughly 12 inches wide and 18 inches long. Ensure your boards are flat and have a consistent thickness. Step 2. Gluing up the board. Once your boards are prepped, apply a generous amount of wood glue to the edges. Spread the glue evenly to ensure a strong bond. Then clamp the boards together, ensuring they are flush along the top surface. Allow the glue to dry completely, typically for at least 24 hours. Step 3. Sanding and shaping. After the glue has dried, remove the clamps and sand the cutting board smooth. Start with a coarser grit sandpaper, 80 grit, and work your way up to a finer grit, 220 grit. This will create a smooth, splinter-free surface. Step 4. Finishing touches. Once your board is sanded, it's time to apply a food-safe finish. Mineral oil is a popular choice as it's easy to apply and maintain. Apply a liberal coat of mineral oil to the entire board, allowing it to soak in thoroughly. Repeat this process several times, allowing the oil to dry between coats. Section 4. Crafting a striking end grain cutting board. Our next project is a bit more challenging, but the results are well worth the effort. An end grain cutting board is known for its durability and striking appearance. Step 1. Creating the end grain pattern. Begin by cutting your hardwood lumber into strips, approximately 1.5 to 2 inches wide. Then arrange the strips in a pattern of your choosing. You can create a simple checkerboard pattern or get creative with more intricate designs. Step 2. Gluing and clamping. Apply wood glue to the edges of each strip and clamp them together tightly. Again, ensure the strips are flush along the top surface. Allow the glue to dry completely. Step 3. Cutting and reassembling. Once the glue is dry, cut the glued-up panel into strips, perpendicular to the original glue lines. These strips should be the same width as the original strips. Then, rearrange the strips, flipping them end grain up and glue them together to create the final cutting board. Step 4. Final sanding and finishing. After the glue dries, sand the cutting board smooth, following the same process as the edge grain board. Then apply a food-safe finish, such as mineral oil or butcher block conditioner. Section 5. Adding your personal flair. Now that you've built your cutting boards, it's time to add some personal touches. Wood choices. Experiment with different wood species to create unique color combinations and patterns. Shape and size. Don't be afraid to get creative with the shape and size of your cutting boards. Juice grooves. Add a juice groove around the perimeter of your cutting board to catch liquids and prevent messes. Handles. Carve or attach handles to your cutting boards for easier carrying and serving. Section 6. Safety first in the woodshop. Working with wood can be incredibly rewarding, but it's crucial to prioritize safety. Always wear appropriate safety gear including eye protection, hearing protection, and a dust mask. Use tools safely and responsibly and never work when you're tired or distracted. Remember, a safe woodshop is a happy woodshop. Section 7. Enjoy your handmade creations. Congratulations! You've now crafted your very own cutting boards. These boards are not only functional kitchen tools but also beautiful works of art that you can be proud to display in your home. Use them, care for them, and let them serve as a reminder of the joy and satisfaction of working with your hands.